Ram Narayan Ram. Meditation, a small word, but its meaning is vast. Often, we think that meditation is just about sitting quietly for 5 minutes and focusing, but that's not the case. The deeper you go into meditation, the more you will understand yourself. As mentioned in our earlier episodes, meditation is a form of sound energy. Each human has 50 trillion souls within them, and to keep them alive, to empower ourselves, and to attain salvation after death, it is necessary to contemplate and meditate. This process provides us with energy, strength, and fortifies our mind and wisdom. India possesses such spiritual power that it can connect with everyone, but for that, we need to recognize ourselves and listen to our inner voice. In today's world, everyone wants to dominate others, to suppress others, but we often forget that we are all made of the same 5 elements. We all have the same heart and mind, but it depends on us whether we fill our minds with positivity or negativity, whether we intend good or harm toward others. When a person becomes greedy, they forget the pain they inflict on others. One should never hurt someone's feelings or break their trust for selfish gains. Our earth is a land of devotion and contemplation. Faith is our strength, patience is our discipline, and love is our confidence. If we carry these virtues in our hearts and keep moving forward, success will naturally come to us. There's no need to demean others. Nature has given us so much, which is enough to make our lives meaningful. We must learn from nature. Through meditation, not only can we understand ourselves, but we also begin to understand nature. Meditation strengthens our mind, wisdom, and soul, enabling us to control and harness them. That's why everyone should practice meditation. The key to effective meditation is to maintain discipline in your daily routine. Work throughout the day, eat dinner early, and meditate for a while before sleeping. This practice will not only bring peace to your mind, but also provide energy and positivity through the sound energy of meditation. While meditating, chant the seed mantra given by the Mahaguru, Ram Narayan Ram. You will then experience how blissful life becomes. When you connect with this seed mantra, you resonate with the entire universe, for the universe is encapsulated within it. That's why everyone should continuously chant Ram Narayan Ram. This mantra is complete in itself. It awakens our wisdom and consciousness. Chanting Ram Narayan Ram awakens our inner wisdom. Thus, everyone should connect with this mantra and keep chanting it regularly.